scuba signs. This to the, I can't pronounce it, Saito. It's a traditional Japanese village. It's up there somewhere. It's got a very long name which I can't remember. It's a village there basically. It's all old houses and every single one of them has a shop in, so it's a good tourist gimmick, I suppose. And we're looking over the village to Mount Fuji. It's apparently a short 2-minute walk through the forest to the
the chill in the air.
which one are we going to? Wind Cave first, wasn't it?
And there's snow down there.
It's still snow. We haven't actually encountered snowing yet. It's been quite pleasant the last couple of days, but they have had snow here, and there is more forecast. And there is more forecast for whilst we are here. Could be warning you a hole. That presumably is a picture of what to expect, and apparently there are places in there we have to go through that are only 1.4 meters tall, so it could be interesting. Okay, hold on to the rail, I would suggest. The rail is quite cold. What? Yes. Oh. These steps are a funny length. Okay. Here we go. That's higher than 1.4 meters, isn't it?
Is that how they grew? Because they grow in cubes.
What? I can't see it. Oh, yes. Does a bit, doesn't it?
Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Oh, look at that.
Forget the stalagmites and stalactites.
The further you go in.
Fascinating looking in there. Okay. Onward and upward. It's not exactly as we thought. It was fairly easy. Is that a stalagmite? Because it's ice. So it's not a stalagmite or a stalactite because it's ice. It's stalagmites. Ropey lava, something.
Ropey lava.
I don't know what's ropey lava.
Not the cable that people put in.
Watch your head. The low bit. I'm sure it's taller than 1.4 meters though. So I thought 1.4 was, oh no, I suppose. I'm only 1.5 and a bit, aren't we? So that's a lava shelf apparently. Apparently so. Hello. Mind your head. Natural refrigerator.
I kept silkworm eggs and tree seeds here.
この自然が生み出した神秘の空間を存分にお楽しみくださいませ。
Oh, here's the
Silkworm eggs
Yeah, see they are.
and tree seeds.
Siliceous Sinter, apparently, whatever a Siliceous Sinter is. Deep into Suicide Forest, or whatever it's called, I can't remember the name of that. That's its nickname, because apparently a lot of people disappear in here. If you lose your way on the trail, you may never be seen again. Oh, still little remnant patches of snow around.
ขั้นบันไดจำนวนมากพื้นเปียกและลื่นง่ายโปรดระวังศีรษะและเดินอย่างระมัดระวัง
Down we go into the depths of hell again.
เมื่อประมาณ 1,150 ปีที่แล้วลาวาหรือหินเหลวปะทุพุ่งสูงกว่า 800 ถึง 1,300 เมตรเหนือระดับน้ำทะเลลาวาได้ปกคลุมพื้นที่โดยรอบและทับถมหนา was created 1,150 years ago when Nagal Mountain erupted, and in 1929 the cave was designated a natural monument. From this massive eruption, an area from altitude 800 meters to 1,300 meters was covered in a thickness of 5.5 meters of lava.
Just an interesting sign walking from the ice cave back to the wind cave along the highway. They obviously hit the road here because there was patches of snow where we were going.